Hey everyone, is your PC keyboard or mouse is not working or you want to control your PC screen through mobile? You are at the right place. Just watch this video and find a way for that. The application you need is PC Remote. By this application, you can use your mobile as a mouse, a keyboard, you can mirror your mobile screen to PC, you can use your mobile like a remote desktop also. For downloading the application in your PC, go to monect.com. There you will get the download option. Download the software and install it in your PC. So this is the website. Go to that website and download the software. For mobile, go to Play Store and search PC Remote. There you will get the app. And link for the same is given in the description also. You can download from there. Now I am connecting my mobile to laptop through USB cable as it is having high precision. Then open application in mobile as well as PC. In mobile, go to Profile, there click on Connect and select USB connection. It will ask you to turn on USB teeth ring function. Turn on that and again click on USB option. It will be connected to your PC. You can have a look. It is showing that connected to Redmi Note 8 device. Now I can easily use my mobile as a mouse. Sensitivity is also good. You can have a look at my screen. So I can easily use this feature. It works great. Then coming to keyboard, I will type and show how it works. For that, I will open an Word document for typing. For keyboard option, in the top right, there is icon for keyboard. Just tap on that and start typing. Have a look how this feature works. Typing speed is quite good actually. So this feature is also working great. And I will show this with other keyboard comes with the application. For that, tap on more in the top right section. Then tap on typewriter keys. You will get the same function keys as of PC keyboard. Just have a look how it works. So this is about keyboard. I will exit this one now. Then coming to next feature, it is media option. In the top left section, there is a icon for media. Just tap on that. There you can control volume from mobile. Mute, unmute keys are also available as you see. And you can also play and pause the medias using these keys. Then coming to the next feature, remote desktop. It is based on the network speed you are having. I have quite low net speed, so the performance is low here. Just have a look how it works. So now I am operating my PC through my mobile. So this feature is also working great. Next option, this PC. The option is for accessing any files on your PC from your mobile. I will open one picture and show you. So I will open this one. You can have a look. It is now opened. I will open another one as you see. And I can also download any of them. Just click on download. So it is downloaded now. You can have a look. It is saved to your mobile. Next feature is Task Manager. You can assess what tasks are running on your PC. Next feature is Blackboard. You can use this for drawing anything in your PC screen. Have a look at this. You can use this feature for online classes also. You can also use your mobile microphone as an input device for your PC by this option. Then this camera option is for assessing your PC's webcam. Have a look at there. One more feature is projector. There you can mirror your mobile screen to PC. This feature is not based on your mobile network speed, so you can use easily. Just click on projector. Now I will connect my phone to PC through screen mirroring. So it's now connected. I will open YouTube and will play a video. Just have a look how it works. Screen mirroring function is also working good. So this is about screen mirroring. Then next feature is power option available in first screen. You can directly turn on sleep mode, hibernate mode, restart function, and you can directly turn off your system by giving keystrokes. So I will give this keystroke, but I will not click on OK because it will turn off my PC now. So actually this feature works great guys. So you can try it. Then for connecting through Wi-Fi, turn on hotspot in your mobile and connect it from PC. Then click on connect in the app. There your PC name is showing. Connect to that. And it's now connected through Wi-Fi. And here it is showing that connected to Redmi Note 8 again. So these are the main features provided by this application. In some other applications, for the same you need to turn on USB debugging option and it makes your Android device vulnerable. So in this application, no worries about that. You just need to turn on USB tethering function. So it's safe comparing to other PC controlling applications. As all are concerned about security and privacy, the application provides highest security 256-bit AES session encoding on remote network. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.